case, and only way you find a nigga body if you going fishing.
Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Post me a pic, finna make me a profit. When the liquor hit, then the bitch get toxic. Why the fuck you in the club when it is wild? I've been lit since brunch, that shit. Order for the table, little table, let's pop shit. Missionary or doggy style.
Nah, cause NLE Chapel, he be too hard. I know it's now Chapel, or is it NLE? See, child, I always be mixing them up. It's one of the two, okay? I digress. So y'all, I've been having problem skin since last year. You could see, like, my skin is not the best. I know that. I have dark circles. I know I look rough. You don't gotta tell me, okay? But that's okay. We have makeup. We gonna fix it, child. So I'm gonna just do like a really light beat today. My everyday makeup routine. This is what I do. But the only thing I'm gonna add today is I'm gonna try overlining my lips. And don't mind me whispering. It is 1:30 at night. So in that previous clip, I was using salicylic acid because I had to dry out my face. But in this clip right here, I am connecting my eyebrows together. And I am doing that by connecting the bottom to the top. And then after that, I am just concealing my eyebrows. I'm just concealing down at an angle. This is how I do my eyebrows. Basically, you want to make sure when you're trying to do arched eyebrows that this is concealed up and that everything is at an angle down. If you had like straight edged eyebrows, then it will be straight. But I normally do angled eyebrows for my face. Next up, I go in with these two Wet n Wild eyeliners. If you don't have these eyeliners, child, get them. Get them. Because this is going to stay. It's not going anywhere. It's jet black. It's really dark. And it don't smudge. It don't move. This one probably is going to move a little bit more. But I also have oil on my fingers. Okay guys, so right here I'm just using that black eyeliner to do a dramatic eyeliner, and then I'm also going to use the black to color in my waterline. Usually I will add eyelashes during this time, but to be honest, I'm out of eyelashes. Okay, so right here I'm just using my photo finish primer, and I'm going to put that all over my face. Normally I use this just to conceal my dark spots, and usually it kind of acts as a 2-in-1 where it shows as blush too. So today I'm gonna just put on just a little bit more than I usually do because I want that orange look. So right here I'm using my NARS liquid foundation in shade New Caledonia. I'm also taking a damp beauty blender that I'm spraying with setting spray to make sure that it lasts all day. I wouldn't recommend using as much foundation as I use, but as the video progresses, you can see that I made sure to blend it all out. So right here, I'm using the same concealer that I use for my eyebrows. I put it underneath my eyes in like a little triangle, and then I'm also putting it on my chin, my nose, and my forehead. And then I'm gonna make sure to blend this all out. Okay, so right about here, I'm just using my Fenty Beauty setting powder in shade Honey, and then I'm gonna place that right underneath my eye. And I don't know if you guys could see, but I kind of saw some orange in my makeup from the orange from prior, so you can see me just looking pretty upset. How did that shit get on my brush? Listen. Here I'm just going to use my Morphe setting spray all over my face. Use my damp beauty blender to press in any powder, any foundation that didn't blend well. Then I'm using my other beauty blender for my concealer and just doing any corrections, making sure everything looks nice and blended in. I'm going to do the lip. Okay, so right here I was just using a little small blending brush to blend in that black with that brown so I could get a little ombre look. I didn't end up liking it in the end. As you can see, I ended up changing a couple of things in this video. So just wait till you get to the end and I'll fix the lip. What is it giving, y'all? Is it giving or is it giving mustache? I feel like it's giving a little mustache vibes, bro. It's giving Steve Harvey. Hey guys, so after editing the whole video, I did not end up liking the outro. Very much dissatisfied. So here I am fixing the lip for you guys. My contacts also finally came that day, so I also made sure to add that too. And as you guys can see, I am doing what I usually do, which is underline my lips. So this is where I add beauty marks to my face. I just put it in places where I feel like it would really look attractive. Right here I'm adding my mattifying lipstick. It's from LA Colors. I don't remember the shade name, but I will definitely leave a link to it in the description below. And you guys have made it to the end of the video. This is my everyday makeup routine. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications because I will be posting videos weekly.